navigating cognitive biases. Like humans, machines now also have biases in how they make assumptions in their deductive and inductive reasoning. There has been a huge front-facing effort to create natural language inferencing algorithms under the hood for many different architectures. Even Google Cloud Platform is about to publish and market a new enhanced version of their agent assist topic summarization models to depend more so on transformer-based modeling architectures under the hood than LSTMs. Because of the ability to capture parallel information with more parallelization in the linear algebra calculations than we saw previously. So basically the attention mechanisms, techniques, and the vectorization processes have been updated in these new architectures. And this is fantastic because it offers us a way to show how real humans think and how that can be embedded into a machine. The problem is that humans make heuristical decisions, and this is the beauty of human decisions, is that humans can make awesome decisions because we're able to process information in a way that is both linear and in a way that's nonlinear as well. We are able to make quick snapshot judgments that machines in the past have not been great at. Why are machines great at doing this now? Well, they're relying on humongous data repositories in the OpenAI framework, for example, that took thousands of dollars to train it. Why are machines great at doing this now? Well, they're relying on humongous data. And they're also relying on people like you, the smart people, the people who the bot wants to grow up be like when it grows up. The machine in general, whether it's multimodal, meaning it uses images and text, or it uses voice-based and speech-based technology with human-like interaction and dialogue. Like I said before, many of these machines are customer-facing and client-facing, so you want to reduce the amount of biases. By biases, I'm not talking about cultural biases. I'm talking about the kind of biases we make every day as humans, where we think we are judging something one way and then it turns out it's something else, and we just make mistakes, right? Because that's how our brains are set up as machines, with these deep neural activations, deeper than any ReLU function you can ever run into, any logic function, any regression analyses. These machines up here, they are built and designed to capture some of the most intricate details and patterns in the world. And we are constantly scanning our environment for patterns. Sometimes in doing that, based on our previous historical decisions, we may make mistakes, and that's called a bias. And that's where we see LLMs now creating hallucinations, with it sounding plausible, but creating fake information that's not there and outputting that to the user. That's a big problem in production at a high security institution such as a bank, or even at an educational institution, in automotive industry. No matter where you're working, you want to create an integrity-based chatbot system, a model, or any agent. Your model development has to be centered around high level of integrity. And so if your bot doesn't have a high level of integrity, and it's 20% of the information is based on hallucinations and correct, for example, that can lead customers to leave. You have a high churn rate. And so our job as cognitive linguists is to take a bit of the triangular, style of work, by triangular, I mean where software meets data, meets machine learning engineering, and produce solutions that minimize those cognitive weaknesses that we see in humans that aren't properly trained as well. So because machines are becoming more and more and similar in mimicking human-like, processes, we most definitely human cognition. And cognition means just literally cognere. The etymology in Latin means like to think, to perceive, to conceive mentally. And so that's what we're seeing with the machines. So my job as a data scientist in cognitive linguistics and AI machine learning is to show you how to leverage multilingual machine learning analytics for your advantage to minimize what we're seeing in some of the trends now and to maximize some of the benefits we're seeing as well in the multimodality of cognitive AI services. Please let me know if you have any questions about how this problem is pertinent to you and what we can do about it. I appreciate you for joining in. This is Angie Ann Dowdell I'll share a little bit more information about how to get in contact with me. And have a wonderful day.